Hello, I'm Simon and I'm here today to talk to you about the Middle Ages. The first thing we need to ask is, what were they in the middle of? Well, the answer is they were in between the fall of the Roman Empire and the beginning of the modern period. That covers a period of about over 1,000 years. And so we divide the Middle Ages into three parts: the early Middle Ages, the high Middle Ages, and the late Middle Ages. What were the features of the Middle Ages? The first feature was the dominance of religion. The Middle Ages took place in Western Europe, where the Catholic Church was very powerful. Even the monarchs of Western Europe acknowledged that the Pope was the most powerful person in Europe and more powerful than them, at least at first. But as the Middle Ages progressed, the power of the Catholic Church declined, and the power of the monarchs in the individual states increased, until we got to a period in the 1500s where you started to have the Reformation, which was the various monarchs in Western Europe proclaimed that they had the right to be the head of the church in their country. There was still an archbishop who would be the spiritual head, but they would be the political head. And they broke with the Catholic Church. Not all, but quite a number in Northern Europe especially. The other feature of the Middle Ages is the economic system, which was one called feudalism. Feudalism was a system based on service, you had to swear fealty in exchange for getting land. In the Middle Ages, most people lived in the countryside, not in the towns. So land holding was very important, and it determined your status. You would swear service to your and faithfulness to your lord, and he would then give you land. The lords themselves would swear loyalty and swear to give military service to their king. And the king or the queen were the ones who technically owned all the land in a country. As the Middle Ages progressed, this system began to break down, and instead of serving militarily, some were allowed to give a money payment instead, if they wanted to focus on farming their lands, for example. Now, there's a lot more to tell you about the Middle Ages, and for that reason I'm going to have a seminar in it, which you can learn about if you subscribe to this channel. You can also go to historymentor.co.uk and you can contact me that way to find out about the seminar. Thank you.